Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. The shady forensic investigator Upolo Sullivan had influence in Gininda's appointment through Shedrack. Shedrack Pella has powers obviously more than him. And I've always known, and I've always said, Oguti, Brigadier Gininda and Shedrack have a relationship. That is why we are where we are with the case Kasenzo Meyiwa, and we are not going forward because of those two people. The relationship, that crazy, shady, rotten relationship that they have together. This is why we are where we are with the Senzo Meyiwa case. Above the Shedrack. Ad hoc, they keep on repeating the same thing. There's arrests that are imminent, that are coming. Shedrack top 3. I'm still repeating myself. Galesos, because you ask yourself, how does he have influence Upolo Sullivan? Because they repeated so many times at work yesterday, he's not in the system. Yes, abs. Who is he? But he has influence. MPA, IP, everywhere, guys. I'm like, how though? How did they allow it? You know? And that whole thing, naye yazazi indaba zama-cartels involved uphakathi inside no mukhothi no bani brown mukhothi ubabona boba u2 manje they're like, oh no, we are scared now, we can't come. Guys, sinesaba manje imlomo emide. What happened? Benila endabeni nila. But manje masekufanele ukuthi you must come an account of the stuff that you said. And sakwazi you becoming imgulugudus now on the side. You just like, I not us. Mina ke nje futhi ke ngensangisola ke ngiseLondon. Uhlale kuleyo London, please don't come back. So basically, Brigadier Gininda didn't get this position that he has now proper. He had to do some shady things. Nabangani bakhe and do some shenanigans together. Upolo Sullivan bese kuzoba yilo baba ngekho right vele General Shedrack Josephus Sibiya. Ngithatha uJoseph yena. Abantu bamsuka detaining, my colleagues are turning against me. Akamsukeli ke kodwa umkhona zimayithi criminal lawyer. Remember, General Sibiya refuses to take accountability kaSenzo Meyiwa athi no. Angingeni nowhere there. He is involved, guys. He knows exactly what happened. He's the same person who actually told Makhubo ukuthi clean the crime scene. Manje I know nothing. Lalela, abon General Sibiya, guys, he's gonna be arrested, this guy. Mark my words. And today, General Dumisani Khumalo did mention ukuthi, you know what, there are irregularities when it comes to appointments at SAPS. Bashuk Brigadier Gininda ke lapho. The first person even O'Sullivan is involved in the influence. In Jani, guys, when you don't work for SAPS. Honestly, guys, this is against South Africa. Ama-cartels, nama-syndicates, busy. No, guys. And General Dumisani Khumalo did actually also confirm ukuthi the criminals, usually ama-cartels, are very close to politicians. Kusazophuma lawo ma-politicians futhi ngino-3 nami. Ngino-top 3 engifila ukuthi wena uphakathi inside. Kulo amsangano wencwadi yakhe Upolo Sullivan ukhona noBrigadier Gininda lapho. And vele kule ncwadi uba khona vele momkhulu ukuthi enomngane wakhe. And if you heard on ad hoc yesterday ukuthi utheni uKhumutso, uGeneral uthe catch me if you can. Nami ngikhona lapho ubhizinisi igama lami Upolo Sullivan. Marubalekile manje guys, I just don't get that though. I don't know what you think, guys. It's just like it puts me off. I'm just like, why? You are also scared. Scared of who? Coming up with stories with people who want to unalive you. You know? Guys, no catch me if you can. Oga Brothers Law, his book, because Brigadier Gininda's face is there. Joba ungabazi buso buka Gininda wazi ukuthi nje uRobocop in his mask. Imagine. I'm just like, but you always gonna Upolo Sullivan umngana wakuthola umsebenzi. Kuzoyingime lapho, guys. Thank you so much. Ngithanda uva. Sullivan angisahlekile kanje ngibhizi ngithi catch me if you can, stop me if you can. Hey, this is lo amgulurudu sigebengu.